Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. So today we will discuss multiple mistakes because they are small one, but if we don't aware with these problems and the mistakes, then we always have error. So these I can say that the golden rule of Go language. So if you learn these golden rules, that means you know better Go language. So the first rule is that sometime whenever we declare a function or some if block and we say the while, for anything, we have a curly bracket and blocks. So if I try to run this program like this, so we have an error that missing body, function body, syntax error, unexpected semicolon and new line before this. So and we confuse what is the problem if in a first glance we see there is no error at all. But in Go language we have some rule that always we have this bracket in the first line of the function. So do not do it in separate line. So always start with the name after the function name like this. And if I run this program now, you see that it will run perfectly without any error. You see, it is running perfectly. But if by mistaken I did this and this bracket is coming just after the main function line declaration, we can say in the second line of the function declaration, then it say error, missing function body. So function is not declared correctly. So second one is this one, unused variable. For example, that here I have declared some variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and I am not using these variable and I am just running this function, and I can say that I can execute it here this unused string which I am passing. And if I try to run it, so say go run, and we have 20 file name. If I run it, you see one declare but not use, means you declare a variable but you did not use it. So that means in Go language it's compulsory to use a variable which you declare. So if I use this variable, for example, if I say, and we can declare this one also to some value, and then we save it and try to execute once again. You see this variable is coming, no error at all. So if we declare a variable and we have to use those variables to remove the error, otherwise it will generate error. One more thing, that if we have not using any package but we are importing those packages, that is also the error. If you run this program and you see that if we run this program and it is 26 unused import, so it's saying error that you are importing fmt log and time but you are not using it. And remember that if I save it and I remove this all these imports, then it will run perfectly without any error. So remember that if you import any library, we have to use it, otherwise it will generate error. Now one more thing, that we have declared here short variable, remember, and I'm using this variable, and if I run this, it is also generating error. So I say that 27 short variable declaration, non declaration statement outside function body. Remember that we can't declare short variable outside of a function, but if I do like this val or var like this, if I say var equal to 1, so save it, and if I run it, there is no error at all, it is running perfectly displaying 1. Or I can declare this here, my var colon equal to 1. So I can't declare, commented, I can't declare any variable, you see it running perfectly. So I can't declare any variable short variable outside of a function like this. If I use, then it will generate again error. You see the error. The last one here is we have the redeclaration of short variable. Remember that if I make it comment first and I open this one, and you will see that I declare one variable with 0 and another I declare the same variable with 1, so it will generate error. So I save first and then I run it. So we have an error, no new variable of left side of it, means by this it generating error because we are redeclaring a short variable again. But if I do the same thing with multiple variables like this, remember that if I declare short variable this way and again I declare short variable but with multiple declaration of variable short variable, then it is allowed. So I run it once again and run it. First of all save it and then run once again, and you see that no error is generating. So it is allowed when we are declaring the new short variable second time with multiple variable declaration, but single declaration is not allowed. Means if I do this with this, it is not allowed, but I can declare it here with multiple variables, means 1 and 2 variables. So one I'm declaring, second I'm declaring, and I'm passing here value. So now I can declare this variable second time also. So it's also one mistake, I think so. So that's all in this video. I think we have learned the golden rules of Go languages. So if you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.